Deepak recently shifted to Bangalore for a new job along with his family. Upon reaching there, he easily updated his new address with Aadhaar using his rent agreement. But the problem arises when he has no supporting documents to update his family's address in their Aadhaar.
Good morning, Deepak. You look stressed. Is all fine?
Hello Disha, I am feeling a little stressed out. I have been overloaded with work since moving my home to Delhi. Adding a new address to Aadhaar is one such hectic task for me now.
Hectic. But Deepak, it's now incredibly simple to update address in Aadhaar. Why are you having issues with such a simple task?
I agree that updating address in Aadhaar is very simple. Last week I used my rent agreement to update my Aadhaar with my new address. It's getting difficult to update the new address on my wife's and kids' Aadhaar because neither of them has any valid documents to support it.
Relax. This should not be a reason to worry, Deepak. For Aadhaar update of all the family members, where documents for individuals are not available, update can still be done by using Head of Family based Aadhaar update option. We just need Aadhaar of Head of the Family whose address is updated, proof of relationship document where name of applicant and HOF is mentioned along with the relation between two like father, mother, daughter, son, wife, etc. Fingerprints, biometric of the head of family is also needed to authenticate during address update at Aadhaar Seva Kendra. The following list of valid documents can be used as proof of relationship: passport, ration card, PDS card, pension card, marriage certificate issued by the government, birth certificate issued by the government private hospitals for birth of a child, only for child aged between 0 to 5 years. Likewise, in your case, if you have none of these documents, there is no reason to worry. Alternatively, you can also use the printout of self-declaration form from the head of family certifying the relationship with the resident residing at the same address as HOF. This form can easily be downloaded from the second page of list of acceptable documents from the official website of UIDAI. This document is valid for 3 months only. It is advisable to carefully check all the details before submitting to avoid any kind of delay or rejection. So, book an appointment and update their address paying ₹50 only with ease. But remember, HOF presence is mandatory in this case, as his or her biometric will be used to authenticate.
This is really easy, Disha. Thank you so much.
आधार संबंधित लेटेस्ट वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मेरा आधार, मेरी पहचान।